And what about ye? Honda Civic Type R with a vacuum leak. We're going to revisit an old video. I posted this video a while back before I really started posting videos on YouTube. I had a sort of proper channel. So as you can see there, I posted that in 2015, and it was just somewhere really to store that video, I think. And the Honda Civic Type R. Since then, it's got a few people have been asking a few questions, so I put a wee bit of description into it there. And so 2009 Honda Type R with an unusual vacuum leak to the seal of the rear master cylinder and servo brake booster. Honda seal was 350 plus VAT, and found as a result plus 15% short-term fuel trim at idle, no DTC or MIL malfunction indicator lamp. Wonder how many Hondas have this problem. So I've been getting there's a couple of comments there just recently who people have been doing searches, I take it, and there's a guy there asking what vacuum hose is leaking. I've got the same problem. So I decided just to download that video and put a bit of commentary on it and try and explain what exactly is going on, because it's not really that evident. It's not really a proper video of the stuff that I sort of do now. So I'm going to show this clip again with a bit of commentary, just telling you what the crack is, maybe a couple of photographs of the problem, and just to help people out. We'll put a link in the description for this video and a link in the description for this one here as well. So, okay, here we go with the clip. So we'll start off with a picture of the garage floor there, and we're going over to the car. That's a bit of fuel pipe or a line pipe or something, and it's connected on to where the vacuum pipe goes on to the servo. So you disconnect that off, and you see the rubber hole and the rubber grommet, and that the outer diameter just happened to fit quite snugly into it. And I'm just going to blow into that with my mouth, and it's off camera. And there's a bit of soapy water sprayed on it. It's just water with a bit of washing up liquid in it, and it's sprayed around where the master cylinder bolts onto the servo. So we can just about see there a few wee bubbles forming, and that's just me blowing into that pipe. And so we can see that bubbling up there. So okay, that's backing off again. What are we going to do? We're going over to it again, and yeah, we'll just spray some more soapy water on it there. That's all that is. And we're going to give it an hour blow into the pipe, and we can see all the bubbles forming. So that's how I found that the seal between the master cylinder, where the master cylinder's bolt on to the main body of the servo, or the brake booster if you want to call it that, and that seal was the cause of the problem. And that's the car. The guy no longer owns that car, so don't mind showing the registration. That's a wee spray bottle there. I think it's a wee plant sprayer. And there's a picture of the floor again. So there are a couple of archive pictures. That's the seal that we're talking about. You buy that in Honda for about £4, and there's it there. So you take a master cylinder off and replace that seal. Just back onto these photos again. What happens is that silver plunger, it moves in and out in the master cylinder, and that goes in and out when you press brakes. So that wee seal is very thin. So when you put that on, you need to put a good bit of grease around, just ordinary multi-purpose grease. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and all the best. And I hope that helps explain that a wee bit better. So all the best, and bye bye.